Yo, what's up? Just wake up. Was editing video last night till 2 o'clock at morning. And check this out. Where is Mrs. Monkey? Oh, she's just having a bath over there. Oh, honey, I barely can see you, honey. And yeah, that's how it looks. We will see what day is gonna bring us today in Tanjung Benoa.
Alright, after having a shower in the room, and now it's time to have a breakfast. I'm already hungry.
Check this out, this beautiful breakfast what we order like this. Ooh,
Yeah, so I got my healthy
nice.
breakfast, no nasi today,
No
and
nasi
then
today.
fruit, and then look at this drink. Very nice. Orange juice. Smacznego.
Smacznego. Our main course for breakfast arrived.
Yeah,
super
so
big.
super big brunch actually, because we have it at 11.
Yeah, so it's actually connected with the brunch.
Yeah, so I have the Chinese porridge. I don't know, I forgot the name. Chinese porridge. And then Damian had a burger and sandwich. Ooh la
Very
la.
nice, big stomach.
Alright. Oh my god, it's very big, raining and windy.
Unfortunately, the weather nowadays
my
is not so
God.
good.
So-
We are after our lunch, which is I'm so full.
Yeah, I think that I need to do exercise.
Unfortunately,
And
we
then-
cannot go much outside because the weather is so bad, and we decided, as we will show on today's vlog, activities in the hot. Winnie gonna show you how to do the Balinese dance today. Annie, what are you doing?
It has been a long time, you know, I didn't practice Balinese dance. So after having a big breakfast, I need to do exercise while remembering the Balinese dance.
Is it tiring for you, sayang?
It's really good exercise, you know. I prefer this one rather than gym.
That's very nice.
Terus kembali ke kanan, yang kiri mundur. That's my Balinese dance practice. Well, I think that the last time I danced when I was, you know, like 19 or 17 years old. You know, dancing for 5 minutes, I feel like lots of calories.
5 minutes
Alright,
already tiring,
good.
right?
Wow, thank you, thank you. Now it's time to have afternoon tea with a Balinese snack. Yum, 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 yum. Look
It
at
looks
this.
like this, so nice.
So I have a hot tea.
And this is the Balinese snack.
Yes, this is a Balinese snack. This is the snack like dadar gulung, and then this one lempok, this one sumping, this one bantal. So good. So every day they have an afternoon tea, especially with the Balinese snack. Very Balinese life, right? Alright, it's still raining. So we didn't get any sun today. Yeah, we decided to just jump to the pool. Even it's raining in Bali, it's still warm. Tropical rain. Yes.
It's beautiful pool area, and only we are here actually, as you can see. So it's very nice, very cozy at the moment. It's rainy actually, but it's very nice.
It's really chill day today because the weather is not really in the best weather. It's raining.
The past 2 days are really like very bad weather, right? I mean, cloudy, rainy all the time. But yeah, at least this is how we chill and spend almost entire day just drinking vintage and chilling in the pool and some activity, stuff like this. But it's sometimes good to relax and doing nothing. I have an early dinner right now because after chilling in the pool we are already hungry, to be honest. And this is how it looks, the main street. Where is the hotel actually? And we're gonna have in this restaurant, which belongs to the hotel, because basically many things unfortunately are still closed in the area, but they have a very nice restaurant with the Indonesian cuisine and Western. This calls like this, sukun, and this is how it looks. Very beautiful. I will quickly show you around. Also beautiful sitting area, beautiful painting over there, beautiful lady preparing drink for me. I think so, for me, I'm not sure. Or maybe for Winnie. Like this, so nice. And even the chef over there. Yo, what's up? Hello. So that's how it looks.
So we have dinner. I order udang bakar madu. I'm craving for seafood, and Damian have a beef rendang. Ooh la la, it's so good. Smacznego.
Smacznego, kochanie. By the way, check this out, how they serve this. This is Indonesian cuisine, like I said before.
Yeah.
So
yeah, this is a udang bakar madu, Indonesian cuisine. So when I eat, I have to wash my hand and open. And you know, as usual, eating by hand like this is the best way. Oh, with this one, the vegetable, I will try.
so good.
So yum.
And my rendang also very nice. I already tried a little bit here.
So good.
Very nice. Check this out, this dessert. This is Indonesian cuisine. So we keep everything
my
Indonesian today.
God. This is es pudang. Inside is sagu, jackfruit, avocado, and the ice on the top. Let's try. Alright, so after we had a dinner, wow, luckily that the rain has stopped. Now we decided to go to Bali Collection, and let's see how it is nowadays, Bali Collection. As you know, whenever you stay in Tanjung Benua, Bali Collection is just neighbor, you know, just going for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is the road to go to Bali Collection. Yeah, the way to go to Nusa Dua is going to the left actually, but unfortunately this is closed, so we will go to this way. Alright, so we are in Nusa Dua, BPDC Nusa Dua complex of hotel. So yeah, we will go to Bali Collection. You know, if you are the guest only of BPDC Nusa Dua, then you are allowed to enter, because we are going to Bali Collection, so they let us in. Here we are, arriving Bali Collection. Not so many people, easy to get parked.
Alright, so we arrived to the Bali Collection. Yeah. And actually not much has changed here.
Yeah. So last time when we were here, actually in December, when Christmas, we have dinner here in Bali Collection. But today is not many restaurants open.
But hopefully we can find at least one where we're gonna have a coffee. Hopefully. Alright, so unfortunately, as you can see everywhere around, it's closed. So
we have been walking around to, you know, finding out where is the coffee shop, and luckily it's closed. So yeah, this is how it is nowadays in Bali Collection.
Bali Collection.
Alright, so like I told you before, just 5 minutes from the hotel, so the hotel's place is very strategic actually.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys. I hope that you guys enjoying our vlog today. And then we feel so tired.
Doing nothing actually.
I eat a lot, Damian also eat a lot. So yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching,
And see you tomorrow.